I'm going to try to describe this. We have the horizon and then we have the mirror. And this is at proximity. That's what I can see with my eye. So if I was looking in that general direction, I wouldn't know there was a boat there unless it was moving, and this one's going very slow. Okay? Well, my point is that you've got the horizon. You've got the limit of the aqua band and the physical water. Okay? Because we're not able to see the water that this boat is on because of the mirror and the inferior mirage. And we don't know the distance from the end of the water line and the mirror to the boat. We don't know that distance. But what I'm trying to think through right now is talking through... Okay, so we can see the water line there right at the top of the mirror of the inferior mirage. Okay, so now it's going to change here. It's going to grow. Right, so we see the reflection of the land underneath the boat as well. So now the inferior mirage is growing. Right, so this boat is getting closer to the shore because it's allowing for more mirroring underneath it. So now the mirror is growing, it's growing, it's growing because we're moving into the distance. So we don't know the distance from the shoreline to the... Wish I would have known those birds were going to do that. We don't know the distance from the shoreline to the edge of the band, edge of the mirror. Oh man, come on. That'd be awesome. Now I'm distracted by this. I've never caught this before, like in the daylight. I've always caught these usually in the, go into the distance. Okay, they're going into the distance. I hope they drop down. Drop down, little birdies. Aren't you guys afraid of heights? I'm still going to try to follow him. Come on. Where did they go? Where did those birds go? Until next time.